Hi everyone, I'm Douglas Wilkerson, mortgage broker with Freeman Douglas Edge Home Finance.
Hello.
Now, buying a home is a huge decision, and I get the question daily, what's the interest rate? Well, today I'm breaking down the factors that influence what rate you'll qualify for. So interest rates aren't just pulled out of thin air. They're determined by a mix of economic conditions and your individual financial profile. On the economic side, we have things like inflation, the federal funds rate, and the bond market, but these are the big picture factors that influence the overall lending environment. Now, that might have little to do with the interest rate that you yourself qualify for. Just because Ronnie Renter just closed on a house with a 7% interest rate, seemed pretty happy about it, that shouldn't deter you from getting an idea of what rate you would qualify for. It could be much lower. The reason is several borrower-specific factors play a role. Interest rates can vary between lenders, so it's essential to have your mortgage broker shop around for you and compare different offers from different institutions. While the most obvious factors like credit score and down payment are more heavily weighted than others, the size of your down payment matters too. A larger down payment could mean a lower rate, but the other factors include the length of your loan, the debt to income ratio, the type of mortgage that you choose, i.e. the loan product, is it conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, DSCR, or other creative financing options. Even the type of property that you're buying can affect the rate. So manufactured homes, townhomes, condos, duplexes all have different loan level pricing adjustments that can carry rates that are higher standard than single family. So lenders also look at your employment history and even sometimes income stability. So you've also got the term or length of the loan, the amount of the loan itself, the amount of assets or reserve you have, past bankruptcies or foreclosures, and in some cases, even the number of dependents you have. Now, just saying all that feels like a lot and can be discouraging to a few people out there. So I've dealt with the same feeling when we were first purchasing our house and gave up immediately thinking I wasn't prepared. I soon found out that there was no reason to feel that way after a realtor introduced me to a mortgage broker with a good amount of options, and we landed on a few that fit our situation perfectly. Navigating these factors can be complex, but that's where I come in. So I'm happy to work with you and understand your specific goals, your unique situation, and find the best solution. You can contact me directly for more information, answers to your questions, or get a quote. You can visit the website, freemandouglas.com, text or call me directly, and please comment, like, or share the video if you think it'll help even one person.